everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the YouTube application on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. Now there's a couple different applications you can get and download onto your tablet. So on the home screen here, we might find it under the Discover section. If we go ahead and just scroll through here, we might find like the videos for YouTube, or it may say like youtube.com. But if we can't find it under there, let's go to the App Store right here and select this. And then simply type in YouTube on the top. So let's go to the App Store, go to the search icon right here and type in YouTube. Go to the search icon right here. And here's the different applications. So none of these are the official YouTube applications. So this one right here says video for YouTube. So if I select this one has about 9.1K reviews. So let's download this and I'll show you all of them to see which one you guys want to download. Then here's the other one that I have, videos for YouTube. So I'll download this one as well. And then here is youtube.com. This is the one I use the most right here, and I already have it on my tablet. And then videos for YouTube, open. So there's like 4 or 5 different YouTube applications. You can choose which one you want. So let's go back to the home screen now. And here is the youtube.com application. This one probably looks closest to the original YouTube application, so I'd probably go ahead and try to get this one. And the icon is just a blue icon. It says youtube.com. Then here's videos for YouTube. So this one looks a little bit different. However, this one does have an ad on top, which is kind of annoying. You can select it and sign in. And then this one's videos for YouTube. And once again, there's an ad on top right here. And then it looks very similar to the last application. So let's go back, and here's videos for YouTube. So this one does not have an ad on top. So if I go to the home screen, so I would probably get this one right here from Freeman Apps, video for YouTube, or the blue one, youtube.com. So you just get rid of that ad on top. So just look through the App Store and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.